Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, could bring two important camera improvements. It could offer a smoother transition between colors and lower noise. According to the latest preliminary news data, Samsung has implemented a new noise reduction algorithm in the Galaxy S26 series lineup. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new Galaxy S26 series will go officially next week. Based on the latest leaked specifications, Samsung's upcoming high-end phones are not expected to bring significant camera hardware upgrades. However, a new rumor suggests that they may still deliver two important improvements in image and video quality. Insider Ice Universe reported that Samsung developers have added a new noise reduction algorithm for photos to the upcoming Galaxy S26 series of flagship smartphones. The leaker stated on his X post, "In the Galaxy S26 series, Samsung has implemented a new noise reduction algorithm. This is the best flagship Galaxy smartphone ever. The fault lines in the sky have disappeared, and now it's a smooth, uniform blue. This is especially noticeable in 24-megapixel mode. The resolution is very high, and even at high zoom levels, the image remains sharp," says Ice Universe. Tipster Ice Universe that the Galaxy S26 series uses Samsung's new noise reduction algorithm, which significantly reduces noise in images and videos. As a result, photos captured using the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra could appear brighter, cleaner, and clearer, with improved detail. The tipster also claims that, when the Galaxy S26's camera resolution is set to 24-megapixel mode, images exhibit high resolution, improved detail, and excellent clarity, even when zooming in after capture. According to the tipster, the Galaxy S26 series represents Samsung's best flagship lineup yet, in terms of camera quality. Ice Universe previously reported that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would feature a new Sony sensor in the front-facing camera, but its specs would be identical to the S25 Ultra. Selfie quality is expected to remain unchanged. In addition, the Galaxy S26 Ultra reportedly has a 200-megapixel primary camera, f1.4, with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, f2.9, with 5x optical zoom and OIS. Samsung is expected to announce its S26 series on February 25th, with pre-sales starting March 5th, and open sales rumored for March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.